Today, we're talking about extension cords, power strips, and surge protectors. So what is the difference between a surge protector and a power strip? Well, here is a surge protector, and as its name implies, it protects the equipment you have plugged into it from an incoming surge of electricity from the utility. And on a surge protector, you'll note there is a green LED light that says protected. In contrast, a power strip does not have that green LED protected indicator light. You will note they both look similar, and they both have the reset on-off buttons. And what that reset does is it resets the internal circuit breaker inside the unit. So if you plug one too many items into this power strip, or plug something in that draws more amps than the power strip is rated for, it'll trip that internal circuit breaker, and you'll have to hit that reset button. So if we look on the back of a power strip, you'll note it lists the max load as 15 amps, 125 volts AC. So everything in total that you have plugged into that power strip or surge protector cannot exceed that 15 amps. And ideally, rule of thumb, you never really want to exceed 80% of the capacity.
Wow.
So here's yet another device. This offers no protection. It simply turns a regular outlet into, you got 6 outlets instead of 2. And this is not resettable. Yet if we look on the back, we see this also has 125 volt AC, 15 amp rated capacity. This is a remote controlled outlet. So say you're plugging your Christmas lights in outside. This is rated for indoor and outdoor use. But again, 125 volt AC, 15 amps, 1875 watts. You can plug in a 3rd horsepower motor. And this one even says mount this vertically, do not lay it flat. So no matter what device you're using, always read what the device capacity is, so you don't overload the device. Now, a great product I want to make you aware of is an appliance surge protector. This particular one is rated for 1,080 joules, 15 amps. It's $12 at Home Depot at the time of this recording. So you would plug your refrigerator into this, the green light would stay on. If there ever was a power surge that came through the utility, this would absorb that power surge and protect your refrigerator. A lot of new refrigerators today have a lot of expensive electrical components, a user interface touchscreen, they're Wi-Fi compatible, etc. That's expensive to repair or replace. So this simple little device can protect your expensive kitchen appliances.
Woo!
Just a quick disclaimer, this video is not a paid promotion for Home Depot or any specific product, vendor, etc. Now let's talk extension cords. Whether they're black, green, red, orange, white, doesn't matter, 2-prong, 3-prong, whatever, somewhere on them there should be a rating. This one is a 2-prong indoor extension cord. You can see it's rated for 13 amps, 125 volts. That's something else to keep in mind. Some extension cords are rated for outdoor use, some are rated for indoor use. So this green one here is rated for outdoor use. We can see on the side of the cord, it is an SJTW 16 gauge. So inside the conductors are 16 gauge wire and has a 15 amp max capacity. And you can look that up online, do a Google search. You can say, what is the ampacity of a 16 gauge wire? find out for yourself. My point here is somewhere on your extension cords, there should be some sort of rating. If there's not a rating, then on the cord itself, you should be able to identify what kind of cord it is, what the wire gauge is, and then do a Google search to tell you how many amps that extension cord is capable of handling safely. And you never want to exceed the max ampacity. And some quick safety notes to go over in regards to extension cords and surge protectors, power strips. Some common sense. Do not use receptacles that are not properly grounded, or sometimes you'll see people cut off the ground prong. That's no good. You don't never want to do that. Do not daisy chain or hook one power strip into another, or into a surge protector, or into a extension cord. That's not safe. Do not use power strip or wall tap in conjunction with the UPS, which is an uninterruptible power supply. Do not use power strip or wall tap with 3 to 2 prong adapters. Do not plug space heaters or heat producing devices like coffee makers, irons, toasters, etc. into a power strip or wall tap. Don't plug generators or sump pumps, water-related devices, life support, medical devices, cars, motorcycles, golf cart battery chargers, aquariums. I will say when things like we're talking about generators or sump pumps, if the cord is rated for outdoor use and it has a rated capacity, again, the ampacity is rated to handle what that sump pump pulls, then it is safe to use. I hope this information helped. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching.